Hi everybody, I hope that you are doing well. Thanks for joining us for this academic writing module. Today we are going to analyze test 1, writing task 2 from IELTS Cambridge Academic book 19. Our question here is, some people think that competition at work, at the school, and in daily life is a good thing. Others believe that we should try to cooperate more rather than competing against each other. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. Okay, this is typically an example of opinion over discussion type essay. We have to consider both sides of the debate and then give our own opinion. One side from year to year say that there is a competition at work, at the school, or in daily life, but the other side say that there is no need for competition, and there should be a balance, a cooperation, a coordinated action. So how should be our roadmap, right? As I said, this is opinion type essay because we have to present our opinion, and this is discussion type essay, not personal viewpoint type essay. And then we should introduce the topic in our introduction paragraph, and then express that this is a discussion type essay. Then we should give 2 or 3 ideas for each main body para 1 and then main body para 2. And at the end, in our conclusion paragraph, we have to give our own opinion in the conclusion, okay? But for this, you have to prepare this outline regarding essay planning in less than 5 minutes, okay? Our essay is, as you see here, it's a band 6 essay, and as you see, there is no band structure here. No introduction paragraph, no main body paragraph, no main body para 1, para 2, and conclusion paragraph. Right here, I'm going to show you an example of a band 9 model essay, okay? Pay attention to introduction paragraph, main body para 1, main body para 2, and the conclusion paragraph, right? There is a difference between the band 9 model essay structure and this essay structure. So you have to be familiar with it. Okay, let's analyze it. In my opinion, competition at work, we can say career, at the school, or in our routine or life can both be a good thing and a bad things. Not well-developed sentence can have a good things, bad things. These are basic vocabs. And why? Dear candidates, please be aware that, right? And it's actually recommended to prepare your sentences in a question format in academic writing, okay? Because I think too much of anything can be destructive. Pay attention to the basic short sentences. I think too much of anything can be destructive. There is no need for these kind of sentences. Yeah, it's a very good thing to be competitive, but do not overdo it. Again, this is, for example, this is something that we are gonna speak about, it not special to writing. Having no competition in your life at all can be very depressing. I think that from year to year, the candidates started to write main body para 1. Having, for example, I'm going to show you an example of a introduction. For example, quotas, workplace quotas have been suggested use of past voice for some time now in an attempt to ensure gender equality in the workforce. This idea provokes a strong argument, which we will consider here in the upcoming paragraph, right? Pay attention to the structure of an introduction paragraph. Great. Usage of work-related, specific vocabs. Having no competition in your life at all can be very depressing, can be very destructive, we can say it instead of this, because you have no motivation, because we can say as the result of less motivation, no goals you want to achieve every time, write it correctly, you wake up in the morning. I don't believe that there is such thing as cooperating too much. Pay attention into the basic adverbs, right? And usage of informal verbs in informal. When you work with someone, you should work together as a team and cooperate, but also do think for yourself like something career-wise. In your work, that goes the same if you are still in school. Take my school life, for example. If I'm very good at one subject in particular, lots of other students may come up to me and ask for pointers. I would be very glad to help them. If there is any homework, schoolmates may come over to do it together. This is also fine and very good for building a relationship. But, however, sometimes there are people who think you are so nice and ask you to do their work for them. This is where you should draw the line. Yes, you are friends and you should help each other, but that doesn't mean that you have to do their homework or give them answer where there is a test. Remember, life is a competition. Be aware now. There is no well-developed or organization of the paragraph regarding even conclusion, right? All of the sentences are basic, short, no specific word, topic specific vocabs, and yeah, that's actually so basic. Okay, what can we do? You can actually write your essay in comment section and we can analyze it. But I'm gonna show a little bit about examiner comments. No well development of paragraphs, no coverage about it, and what can we do regarding how we should do to try to cooperate. There is not good coverage here, and yeah, but here we prepared a band 7 clause. Okay, we develop here our introduction paragraph, then we develop our main body part 1 with specific vocabs, great conjunctions and phrases, and then the next main body part 2, by the sequence of the example, linking devices, great phrases, and then our conclusion paragraph, with by presenting and bringing our opinions in the conclusion as well. Okay, And the most important things that I want to mention, dear candidate, you have to be familiar how you should, talk about one argument, then the counter argument, then you should have to enhance your topic specific vocabularies. You need to know how to organize introduction, conclusion, and you need to know how to structure your paragraphs. Okay, you can take a look to our previous videos regarding this. Dear candidate, you have to be familiar with this topic, right? I'm going to show you. For example, this is related to work, work, okay? So you have to have specific topics: workplace, workforce, professions, okay? Because using these types of vocabs gonna increase and improve the credibility of your essay, okay? You have to be, you can take a look to our previous videos about these topics. For example, work, education, children and families, environment, culture, healthcare, health, global issues, um, for example, hantavirus, right? Cities, government authorities, technologies, for example, AI, okay? And as I said, more importantly about structuring and cover and developing our paragraphs. For example, this year we explained about conclusion, but you can take a look to our other videos regarding how we can develop our introduction, main body para 1, main body para 2. Okay, I hope that you enjoy this module, and you can remember that if you have any question, you can drop it in comment section, and me and our team gonna analyze it and prepare it the videos that you need. I hope that you enjoy this module, and see you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care. Bye.